Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we are going to be dyeing Riley's hair. So
Only the tips though.
she has been begging to put purple in her hair forever. So we found this at Walmart. It is only supposed to be a one day. So we will show you the process and see how long it lasts.
And also I put braids in my hair and now it's curly.
She wanted it to be curly and purple. So she had her braids in today and I will show you how I'm gonna spray the tips, and I'm gonna guess it's gonna be super purple on that blonde hair. So I made Riley put on her paint shirt so that way we don't ruin a shirt, just in case. And she also has a towel.
Because that's what it says to do on the bottle.
Around her. So here is up close what it is. It is L'Oréal Colo Rista Spray. And it's one day, and this is the purple color. They had different colors, purple, blue, pink, for hints and highlights. And like I said, it's one day, so we'll see how it goes. I was hoping. See, I had to go get gloves because not as easy as I was expecting it to be. I don't know. So when I space out the hair, then it just blows too much and I feel like it wastes. Okay, step forward just a little bit, Riley. Okay. So I don't know if there's a better way to do this. Then when I clump it, then it doesn't get. Obviously, I'm not a hairdresser. We should have had Emma do this.
I've never really seen my hair color. No! Is this a wig? It looks like a wig.
See what I was trying to get it all.
I love it.
See right here.
Is it done?
No, I think we should do more here because right here it's barely on it.
I love it.
So let me try.
I can't believe it. It looks like a purple. Do you want me to take my towel down?
Yeah. Okay. Step forward because I can't see all of your back. There you go.
My dream is to have curly and purple tips, and it finally came true!
All right, let's go get a brush, and we might kind of try to brush out some of the tangles and see how that works.
Right,
so kind of get some of these tangles out because I'm worried if we don't get some of them out now, it will be super crazy trying to wash it in the future. And it's a good thing she has a different shirt on because it is.
Getting bit.
I know, we're getting bug bites standing outside. Her hair tangles super easy. If you have any tangle tips, let us know. Because look at that, all tingly. Okay, so update.
It's not gonna get all the tangles out.
Yeah, this feels disgusting.
It feels like chalk.
It does. I've been trying to slowly get most of the tangles out, but I think I'm just gonna have to quit because I don't think it will ever be perfect with this stuff. I wish we would have got another can, kind of like made it darker again, because obviously brushing it kind of makes it kind of faded the color just a little bit. So at least we got to try something new.
And I like it.
And I don't think it was worth it.
But do you like the colors?
I do like the color. Like, it's pretty, but
I mean,
it's just.
our temporary dyeing hair is not so great.
It's just I don't like the texture because it just feels really dirty.
Okay, but it still is pretty.
And it's gonna tangle a lot, and it's gonna make our hands purple. But a summer experiment. And so we will update you maybe tomorrow and let you know how it's going. And if it washes out after one wash. So
That's what it says it's supposed to do.
yeah. So we will update you later. So we are outside enjoying the weather before bed, and we realized that we almost forgot a 24-hour update on the hair. So how'd it go today, Riley?
You should see my shirt. Good thing I was wearing my Paint Town shirt because it can get messy. But
I'll show a closer.
But I think it definitely fainted.
Fainted.
What?
So I will show a closer update in a second. But did you notice it like during the day?
I kept forgetting about it.
So it didn't like affect your day, or you didn't feel like it was extra tangly? It fainted a little bit. Faded.
Stop.
A little bit, and it looks a little more stringy. It definitely didn't last as much as it was, but like she said, we're glad that she wore a shirt that we obviously didn't care much about. It's kind of like it's dusted with the purple. And then turn around so I can see the front, please. So it did on her shoulders too, but
yeah, I don't know if you can really see that, but it definitely was purple.
Yep. So we will update you after she actually washes it out to tell you how that process goes.
In case you want to get it or not.
Hi, Lucy.
Hi, Lucy.
Okay, we'll update you later. Here's an update on her hair. Can you stand up so I can show them? So here it is. You can tell I probably started right here in the middle with a lot, because that's where there's still some left over.
There's still some all over.
And then this, it now looks more, it's kind of like a gray. So it's just how it faded. And it still kind of feels gross, but definitely better, and definitely got the tangles out. There was a ton of tangles last night. You can turn, Riley. Do you think we would ever get that stuff again?
Maybe, maybe not.
Yeah, maybe for like a school thing, or if she ever actually needed a different color in her hair, but for now, I think we're done. What do you think you would rate it out of 10 stars?
Probably 3 or 4.
3 or 4.
3.5. It wasn't that. I'm not a big fan.
Okay. So.
Please subscribe. Hit that like button.
Thanks for watching our video today. Please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up.
And thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye.